Hello guys, today we're gonna be making another video. Like and subscribe. This is my cousin Ali. He's gonna be helping us in our video.
We're gonna be going to the barn and I'm gonna show you guys what we have there. There they are.
Yeah.
I don't know, the three of them look the same, but
That one is the turkey.
yeah, the turkey. Never mind that.
And all of them are roosters. Here's our dog Tiana.
Here's our dog Tiana that
Barks every time.
yeah. Tiana.
Now we're gonna
go to the buggy. My older cousin is gonna drive for us. Safety first.
We're gonna go to the trampoline now.
The trampoline is kind of abandoned, but the springs are still good.
Yeah, but they're rusted. Don't touch the rust. So we're gonna be jumping in the trampoline.
OMG.
Cut the video.
1 billion hours later.
We're gonna go back
to where we were.
Yeah, but we're in the buggy, but we're gonna show you some new things
Now we're gonna sit down and chat
with
to you guys.
Bye guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe
And leave a comment.
Yeah, and leave a comment for
part 2.
and keep the notification bell on.
Bye.
Bye.